We're starting to really truly make stuff for Rhaenyra now, and so this is going to be my petticoat video. Probably some segments of me showing you what I'm doing, sewing, that kind of thing. But here's what I have so far for her petticoat. Also, my cat really loves Rhaenyra's fabric. He will not stop laying on it. It's that texture. Okay, so this is what I have so far, and this is the first layer of a 2-layer petticoat. So it is really red and black. These are actually bed sheets that I purchased at Goodwill. So her whole petticoat materials only cost me $4, which is kind of crazy. I love using bed sheets for undergarments and things like that. So this is the first layer, and there will be horsehair braid, in the bottom to get that to pop out, because I wanted a very simple gathered similar A-line under first layer of the petticoat, and then the petticoat over top of it will be a little more decorative with some ruffles on the bottom, but still kind of in the look of Game of Thrones, House of the Dragon. Fun trim and horsehair braid added to the first layer of the petticoat. Okay, it's a couple days later, and I did make some changes to the petticoat. I took out the horsehair braid and I flipped the layers. So the red and black layer is on the outside with the same fun trim, and the underneath layer is a simple black layer with a ruffled bottom and hem. But the braid needed to come out because I'm putting that in the dress, didn't need to be in the petticoat. So now the fun part begins, is the detail work. And I think I'm not going to put a whole lot because it doesn't need to be weighed down a lot, but I'm going to put some kind of chasing dragon trim all around the bottom hem above that black ruffle on the outside layer. Let's see how it goes. My petticoat's finished. Let's take a look. I love it! Woo. Boy, does it twirl well for a petticoat. So these are going to be beaded dragon heads when I get to that point. It's actually Cyrex, Rhaenyra's dragon. Too cute. What do you think?